Hello, dear students. Why did you choose Koshish School?
I chose Koshak schools the best because the education is perfect and the teachers are kind and respectful and the school is all organized.
What is the best part of Koshish School?
I think the best part of Koshak school is no matter what lesson we have, we get so much fun from that lesson and we get the best education that we get from that lesson.
What do you think a clever student should be like in Koshish School?
They should be like doing homework every single day, respecting the teachers, and being clever with no fighting.
What is your favorite subject in Koshish School?
My favorite subject is reading comprehension because we could be ourselves in reading comprehension and we learn new words each day.
How do you see yourself in this year?
Smarter!